Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change currency in Airbnb app. So first thing that you will do is of course simply open the Airbnb application into your device, and from here just simply go ahead and wait for it to load up and just simply log in into your account. You can continue with your phone number or continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple, so it will be depending on you. Now, guys, once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, once you tap on your profile, just simply go ahead and go to payment and pay out over here. And now, as you can see, the top right corner of the screen, you should be able to see your currency. So this is my currency that I have. It is PHP, so tap on that. And from here, you should be able to choose a currency, and you will have here multiple options that you can choose from. And now just simply select what you prefer. And now let's say I'm gonna go for Australian dollar. And as you can see, it will change the currency of the application. That's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about the Airbnb app, and thanks for watching. See ya.